Meaning of DOA.
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 DOA. DOA stands for Dead on Arrival. It is a term commonly used in the context of product quality control, particularly in the manufacturing and logistics industries. The phrase refers to a product that is found to be non-functional or defective right upon delivery or use. This means the item was already broken before it reached the end user. The term is often associated with negative connotations as it represents a failure in the quality control process, resulting in additional costs for manufacturers or sellers and disappointment for customers.